Our Meditate class is a 60-minute class at Mirosuna, and it is suitable for people across all levels, whether you're a beginner or you're very advanced in your practice. Anybody is welcome. We created this class to give you the tools and techniques to add to your practice. So we will meet you where you are at, and it doesn't matter if you have never meditated before, everything is guided. And so you will feel comfortable and at ease, and you'll never be left wondering what you have to do next. As we know that is a fear of people who are going to new studios or people just who have never done that practice before. So what can you expect in our Meditate class? Well, every Meditate class is different, even if it's the same instructor. So sometimes we might do the class laying down on our back, on our custom-made beds, or sometimes it may be seated, or sometimes there might even be some gentle movements in the class. Because the point is, we go through something different every time so that you learn new skills and techniques for you to practice at home. So we'll always start with a grounding exercise to help you set your intention and to just calm and bring your mind to this present moment. And then we'll go into the meditation, and then we'll end the meditation with some time for you to be able to integrate all that knowledge and what you have just experienced into your mind, your body, and your spirit. And then you'll always be able to enjoy the hot tea at the end of class and ask us any questions that you have, or even any recommendations that we have for you. We'll give it to you at the end of class so that you can continue to practice in between your sessions at Mirosuna. So whether you are new to meditation or you already meditate alone at home or wherever it is, we really welcome you to try the Mirosuna way with how we do it here and experience the difference with us and our teachings in Eastern philosophy. I hope to see you in class soon.